Hey guys, it's me, Cami. Some of you may know me from the anxiety support group. I am a moderator there. But I wanted to take a minute and really touch on something and actually leave a great review for the Anxiety Elite Bootcamp. I got this course that Trey Jones offers, and first thing that I noticed when I was going through it is how everything is broke down. Everything is broke down into modules. Everything is like labeled, and it's like kind of reminds me of like a chapter book, but it's all laid out there for you. It's so user friendly. You will have to do some homework and stuff, and there will be like lists and checklists, and to download this you could print them off, which would make it easier to for you to cross-reference later on. It's just really user-friendly. It has lots of tips, lots of tricks, lots of this is what you need to do, this is what you need to eliminate. These are things that you have to change about yourself. Now, if coasting by and expecting somebody to change you, then this course is not for you. This course is going to be very, like I said, it's boot camp. So it's going to be very tough love. Things, it's not going to be just what you want to hear. It's going to be things that you need to hear. And I love the honesty of it. I love how, Trey really gets into deep, he really gets in deep about, things we need to evaluate in our life and in how we think and how we work through things. And there's things we need to change. Change is not comfortable. So this course can be really what you make it. It may not be comfortable going through, but I promise you, when you get on the other side of it, you're going to be so grateful that this is available. But I like how it is very audio related, because I get lost in reading. It's hard for me to focus, especially if I'm having anxiety. So listening to it, and then if I know that I kind of space out, I can always come back to it. It's not like once you listen to it, that's it. You have it forever, lifetime. If you feel like you're backsliding, you can always go back and go through it again. Like I said, it's yours for a lifetime. There will be new content added to this, is my understanding. So it's never going to be just like, that's it. But it's not just that's it, because there is so much content in this course that you're going to be blown away. Trey has lots of videos on YouTube, and lots of help out there, but nothing like this. So this gets in deep. This gets very personal. This is just an amazing opportunity for you to grow through your anxiety. One thing I really took away from the course is that optimism and pessimism, we've really got to learn how to be more optimistic. And I think taking the step to really take care of your mental health is the first step towards that. It can be done. Trey Jones is proof that you don't have to live like this forever. You don't have to live in fear. You don't have to worry every time you have an itch or a bump come up. And I'm not saying because I do that too. But I'm saying that I'm learning to retrain my brain and my thoughts. So this course is helping me do that. So I just really look forward to living life the way I did before, where I can go to the store. If I have a heart palpitation, it's not like, oh my gosh, I'm dying. It's just awesome that there's something out there that that's for us and tailored to us by somebody who's gone through it. So Anyway, I just wanted to take a minute and really stress how important it is for you to take this step in helping you. If you feel sick, you go to the doctor. If you notice something's not right, you zone into that. Our mental health is no different. We really need to take care of our mental health. We really need to take care of everything, our diet and everything that goes in with this. And Trey Jones really touches on all that in this course. So, like I said, I really hope that y'all find it as beneficial as I have. And I look forward to hearing all of your success stories in the group. And I just hope all of y'all have an amazing day, and God bless.